morning, guys. Welcome to my fall morning routine. Before we get too far into the video, I just want to point this out. I knocked my head against my dresser this morning. I was literally reaching for my camera to start filming and I smacked my head right against my dresser, and yeah, now I have a big bump there and it hurts so bad. So bad. But anyways, it is breakfast time. So as you guys saw, I did my coffee in the Keurig, but I'm gonna do a pumpkin spice coffee this morning since it is fall. So I'm doing the pumpkin spice International Delight. We also might as well just go all out this morning. So we're gonna do some whipped cream on top of that and just make it a nice little festive fall drink. Why not? Ooh, okay, that looks so good, you guys. Look at that. Yum. Okay, now I'm gonna get some actual breakfast. Oh my goodness, I cannot stop staring at that. Hey, dude. Tang wants to say hi. What are you up to, huh? Oh, you're so cute. You are so cute. So for breakfast, I have some chia seed pudding that I did up last night. And then I'm gonna put some just frozen fruit that's a little bit thawed out on top of it. If you've never had this before, I highly recommend making this because it's so easy and it's such a good breakfast as well. So here is breakfast: chia seed pudding, and then my little nice pumpkin spice coffee that I cannot wait to drink. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I know you guys probably cannot see me at all from this lighting, but I'm just gonna go ahead and eat my breakfast now, and I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Ooh, I am so sorry about this lighting, you guys. This is awful. Just finished my breakfast. Now I'm just gonna catch up on a few YouTube videos and just you know, relax for a little bit. Later, I think I'm gonna take Tang for a WALK. Can't say it too loud because he'll freak out right now. I'm just watching some YouTube. I'm actually watching Laura Lee's new video, her no budget Target shopping spree. So I'm watching that. I'm gonna watch a couple more. And in case anybody's wondering, the goose egg that is currently residing on my forehead is still there. It still really hurts. And I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna bruise. So that's wonderful. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Yeah? You do? Oh, okay. Let's go get one then. All right, so it is time for Tang's treat. And for anybody that doesn't know, Tang is actually hypoallergenic, so he has to have special treats and special food. So these are his treats right here. They're just the Hills Prescription Diet Hypo treats. And also, in case anybody doesn't know, Tang only has 11 teeth. So basically I just take these and I like to soak them for a little bit so that they're a little bit softer and he can chew them up a little bit better. So that's what we're gonna do right now, and he's very excited for his treat. And yes, I use bottled water for his treat. He gets the best of the best for Tang. I'm just gonna let that soak for a little bit in this cup here, and then I'm actually gonna break it up for him because that's a pretty big treat if you think about it, especially for Tang. He is a smaller dog, so I don't like to give him the treat just in one go. I like to break it up in tinier pieces just so he doesn't, you know, choke or anything like that. I just like to break them up into tinier pieces, kind of like that, just so they're easier to chew for him. And now he's gonna have a lovely treat, aren't you? Yeah. You wanna go for a walk? Do you wanna go for a walk? Oh! Did you have a good walk? You did? Great. Okay, now I'm gonna catch up on a few work emails just because I have a couple that I need to get back to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and answer those for a little bit. Whenever I'm working or just like on my computer in the living room, I always like to put a fall background on the TV screen. You probably won't be able to see it just because of the glare on the TV, but it's this really cute like autumn Halloween screensaver. Basically, I just go ahead and I look these up on YouTube, and you can just look up like Halloween screensaver or fall screensaver and it'll come right up. Also, speaking of screensavers, I went ahead and I did this little pumpkin screensaver on my computer, and I think it's so cute. And somebody's made himself pretty comfy right here. Okay, I have my crazy headband on And you know what that means. It is skincare time. So I'm going to do a little bit of morning skincare. I don't like to do too much in the morning. So I'm going to be using the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, and then I'm going to use this little mask right here. And this is the Omarovixa mask. It's a silver skin saver. I got it in my advent calendar. It's actually really, really nice. And then after that, I'm going to follow up with this True Skin Vitamin C, E, and Hyaluronic Acid serum. And that was a mouthful. Okay, now time for the mask. So basically what I like to do with this, I really only put it on like problem areas. So like any area that I typically break out in. It's a really, really strong mask. I gotta say that. It says to leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes. And I have an issue where I will put a mask on and then I'll forget about it, right? So the first time I use this, I think I probably left it on for, ooh, it was well over 15 minutes, maybe 25. Because like I said, I forget about masks on my face. So put it on and I'm like, oh my gosh, my face is burning and it's also really red. It's a really strong mask. I looked up like reviews and people were saying the same thing. They were like, do not leave it on for any longer than the recommended time. And it's so true. It's a really great product, but very, very strong. So I really only like to leave mine on for like 10 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna set an alarm for 10 minutes just so I don't go any longer than that. And after I take this off, I'm gonna follow up with the True Skin Vitamin C, E, and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I've used this a couple times now, and it's actually really, really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and link their website in the description down below, and I'll also go ahead and link that mask as well. I look nuts, oh my gosh. So now we wait 10 minutes. I'm just sitting here drinking the rest of my coffee, waiting for the 10 minutes to be up. But guys, look how beautiful it is outside. Like, okay, fall. I also just want to show you guys this cute little pumpkin I have in my kitchen. How cute is this? And then you go over here to the bread box and we have another cute little pumpkin on top of that, and I just thought it was so cute. Okay, so I think I'm going to end this morning routine off with some baking. I love to bake, especially in the fall time. I feel like it's the perfect time for baking. So today we're actually going to make some homemade cinnamon rolls. They are seriously amazing, you guys. I'm not going to do like a step-by-step tutorial on how I make them, but what I'll do is I will like link the recipe that I use in the description if you guys want to check it out. It is seriously so good. Honestly, like the best cinnamon rolls ever. So let's get to baking. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to go ahead and end off the video here. So that was everything in my relaxed, cozy fall morning routine. Today is a Sunday, so I like to take it a little bit more easier on Sundays, a little bit more relaxed. Obviously every morning is kind of different. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do my makeup and my hair and just get ready for the rest of the day. Do a little bit of work, but obviously it's not the morning anymore, so I'm not going to show you that. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to go follow me on Instagram, it's always linked down below. And if you want to see like a fall night routine, I can definitely do that as well. So go ahead and give this video a like if you want to see that. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!